Well, she forgive Dewey and she forgive everybody, but there and then again, it's still gonna cause problem. It's still gonna cause problem. Dewey and have to just know say he made the mistake and him have to go on and life. This is the problem, you know me not know what this obsession about. Because I say, let me tell you something. Donna is just a normal human, strong black woman with a good heart. This thing about why everybody want to be Ashanti, me can tell you. Me can tell you, him want to be up under Donna arm hole. The whole of them want to be up underneath woman arm hole like them a roll on. And then they fight till they fight against poor Chris. All of them dance the dirty lie they went tell upon me. See Chris put you out on him platform this morning against the people. Chris no love give away, you know say Chris I mean smaddy. Chris not go take up money and come pay me for cut Ashanti when Chris go and pay for do it himself. Oh no no say Chris have him bakery. Where Chris could have lie down in him bed and gone. He going to go turn up and baking cake because the thing can do it himself. Me a hold on pan when me hold on pan. Me know it's a delicate, calm conversation. Me a forever said it. If Ashanti never gas up Maxine and tell her all those negative things about the woman, Maxine would not be doing all these things. Remember, we didn't know about Maxine. Maxine is easily influenced. Remember, Maxine, a big woman, don't know about him business, don't know about social media and them or something there. And you have some people, it's like them would have believe in alright. When me sick, the amount of people telling me, because at that time I did have problem with my last son father and him woman. And yeah, whole heap of people tell me say I Richelin will be a me. And me say, oh, run well, go with that. Me say, but Richelin will be a me for. Me no want the man, so what she will be a me for. Suppose me was somebody, me would not take blood thinner, me would not do test and I watch me thrombosis. So Maxine easily with the thing them when painting her say Donna wicked, Donna scammer, Donna thief, Donna this, Donna that. It a playback. Can Maxine pan her life go question her what Maxine tell her? And we have seen it too with Flex. You remember when Flex did care Maxine? I'm gonna tell something. You see people who don't remember, who don't want remember. Flex did care Maxine over upon him live. I want Maxine tell lie pan Donna. And that's what you not look pan that. Oh, when Maxine never go tell lie pan Donna with Flex, oh Flex cuss and drag Maxine. You not look pan that. Cause me don't know about Uno. Me no want me come out here when time me check us at me yes Maxine in hospital in sugar gone up and on me. We drop down and me no want responsible for that. No sir. To be responsible for nobody dropping down out here. Me no want responsible for that because when judgment man me can't go turn up in front of God and go tell God say, oh because no worse when no me not doing it. Maxine is coming back. Me not hear Donna out here a kill up herself. Donna not somebody we got in there. When you come over here come talk about it, suppose Donna drop down fat. Look here, I'm block you from my page. Really? You better you come off. Cause this is phone a problem. Everyone I wanna go no one ready for defend Donna. Only Donna wanna come off here. You come right off here. Don't come back over here. This is a problem we have on social media. It is all about Donna. It is all about Donna. It is all about Donna. But suppose Donna drop down. Where Donna go drop down for? Where Donna go drop down for? Donna more strong-minded than waiting in the car. First thing, nobody can tell Donna anything. First thing, nobody cannot tell Donna nothing. You can't go to Donna with nothing. Donna will run you. Everything is about Donna. The world surrounded by woman. Don't make her lose the page again. You hear? But suppose Donna drop down. That owner them cause the problem past social media. Me not telling no for sorry for Maxine. When me a say, me not come out here con cuss her. You want to cuss Maxine, want to cuss her, no since you're so concerned. Uno a walk, uno planka shit. Look here, and everybody can ignore. Everybody have them character, and some people dealing with them content. I think some people just like the long argument. Some people just like the long argument, and we cannot get that from them. What me now go do, I entertain them in it. Especially Maxine with the sugar. Nope. Entertain, we entertain her. While if we avoid her and leave her and make you talk her 9 minutes or 9 days and gone in and when she say nobody can, then she won't have nothing to address. Then she now go have nothing to address. Think about that. She now go come on social media and say nobody had trouble. Think about that. We don't think about that, say, if we not pay Maxine no mind, make him one turn out there. She don't have nothing to talk about. But if we come out here, she look what up. I wish she do it observe. If I sat them here, what this thing, you know? You see, she take up observe and like, yeah, she got take you up. Understand what me I say. Understand what me I say. No make social media make it get personal. If you come out every time one blogger come out and talk and say something about her, she dey take it right up and she dey take it up on her platform and she dey play. And in the buying time the sugar they go up. Me no want responsible for that. Me want be the one for don't pay him no mind. You think I look at time Maxine cost me over there? You think me no hear? I don't look at her. Can I come out here tomorrow morning and because she's not treating the sugar. She's not Maxine have to get up and train up you know. No man, you have the real planka and you have the planka shit them. Really? Like that one here where I go come now, where me a talk about Maxine and you go talk about suppose Donna drop down. So you want to say no, say. That me take it personal. Donna life value for more than Maxine or Donna health or that. No, we are all equal out here. Because Donna is not right all the time. Just like how Maxine is not right all the time. So why, if Donna do something is mistake, but when Maxine or any other body, this is the problem with the planka shit them have. When Donna wrong, it's a mistake. But when Maxine, anybody else wrong, is them wicked, it's a problem. Me not in that bomber clot with nobody. Big and serious. Because it must be a planka shit fuck with my spirit while ago. So you Miss Julian, man, you got to tell lie for me. You have the planka, you have the real planka, where we'll understand, and you have the planka shit them, where go round and make trouble. Can you hear me talk about this woman health, you go come talk about suppose Donna drop down. Of course you have the planka shit like the Sharon is one. Who know look people forgot this world not surrounded by Donna. Donna sells somebody enough to cuss for her. Who know I look people for grown. Everything happen for come out, everything for happen for cuss Donna, and for cuss. No, it's not everything can resolve in cursing. It can resolve whether Maxine lie, whether Maxine talk, when I go so whether Maxine put on pan it. The fact remain, Maxine need to take care of her health. That me come out. Me never dead there. You know where you call Maxine liar. You know did there? You know did there? True, me never dead. Me no business and no funeral and me I leave the lady for the lady family them. Talking about Maxine health. Maxine is not spending time. Maxine need to spend more time and take care of her health. Social media can't be about Donna all the time. It cannot be. And on everything have to go down in a cussing and disgrace. It's like you have your child. Everything when you put into your booth them, you will never get nothing out of them. Some things them will do you them having all when time. Just like how you don't live in a country where they say you're not a spank. But something when you do you put on your clap. Social media not be by one person. Me concerned about Maxine health. Donna never come out here concern have nothing. Donna come out here concern healthy. And Donna know how to deal with things. Cause some things when I say Donna take out your respect to her. Respect. Some things when I say Donna take out your respect to her, because I couldn't take it. People that lose their life already. People family that lose their life. So Donna strong. Maxine is not strong. Maxine is not strong. Even when I look on Curly the other day, you could see Curly was going, but she was weak. You could hear it in her voice. That the things this talking about the woman, and it is same like Maxine. When them go and then Maxine and listen. She a hear, and when she take it and look what she do, she a take up the live and she a pay it and she a listen to them a call her. Then she a read the comments. Come on man, that's a 62-year-old sugar patient we are talking about. We don't want so another condolence out here. We don't want to say no more get well soon out here. We don't want that. We do not want that. That's why I am talking now. Maybe when she hear. Because I definitely don't think Maxine is treating that sugar. I know for sure I see Maxine. I know when you have sugar, you're supposed to taste your sugar and eat. Then even the Monday when me and Maxine at 2 o'clock, she don't eat. She's not taking care. I wish somebody could be there when I encourage her because Maxine listen to the net. Let me tell you something about Maxine. Let me notice. This is what I tell you something. No say is that boy gas her up. If you tell her say, let me tell her something. In a Maxine heart, She just feel like the plank, right? Maxine feel like the plank of them are people. Maybe even me, Maxine feel like I don't like her. If you come, she will have this 13 don't like her. Me cannot. Me definitely me can't go where Uno go. Me really can't go where Uno go. Me don't want another condolence or another get well soon out here. I'm very sorry. I can't. She need Maxine take your medication. Take it easy because I say it's too much time and then you hear it in her voice that she not feel good. Then you even hear it in her voice. Yes, she really stressed. And the stress with me tell you what is I'm gonna tell you what is bothering Maxine too. You know where about Maxine? Maxine I get up and I got the courthouse. The last time I listened to Maxine, she say a 9 times. She want to catch Ashanti for drag him a court and she can't catch him because he not no address and it's irritating. So everything just dep on her. She not take. I don't think Maxine not take the medication there accordingly. That's the main thing. She want to catch Ashanti to drag him backside to courthouse. Cause on one Monday, the whole day, when me think say wait, cause a morning time I go look, you know, me go check. Me say rotted. She say the whole day she dey at the courthouse. Sugar something make you tiring. Plus remember Maxine is 62. She might look young, but the age is there, 60 and 2. And because she not catch him, it take a toll on her. No, Maxine past 60. She not full sick. She past 60. I think February gone, Maxine at 61. She cannot say, you know why me know so she cannot say? The day when me and the boy went and me did up on the phone with him. In front time go stand up that say baby see man a pine pan him. She cannot say for true. Because the sugar, that's how the sugar is. If the sugar high, let me tell you something. This is how I know. I'm not a medical doctor, but I know people with sugar. And even though they will get the good glasses, once the sugar high, the glasses get blurry to them, and that's how the lady will test her sugar. One of my co-worker, she have a very good glasses. That's when she put it on the glasses, she say the eye feel heavier, so she tests her sugar and it always high. Well, she not young. She not young, and that's what I say Ashanti, Maxine, easy to be influenced. Because if me never have a strong mind, that's how Ashanti that influence me and make me the over, that maybe see me a scooter or me a cuss scooter. Because me have to go pick a side when the man scooter mash up. And a daddy I take, and you hear scooter so much money she send, come give me to. Because Ashanti did well. Ashanti that try to brainwash me for go touch side with scooter. I'ma tell him no, me not in a it. I went brainwash her and tell her, say, yeah, but when you have the glasses and the sugar high, the glasses to it make you know, because my co-worker, she have sugar very bad. 2 times she have to prick. And let me tell you something. I went, I think a Friday night with the day I work, Friday, and it was the same thing. Friday we there at work and she put on her glasses. When she put on her glasses, she said, when she look me, she said her sugar there 320. That's what I was saying too when I heard that Maxine drive and spend most of 17 hours. I was like, Maxine is doing too much of what she's not supposed to doing. Maxine, let me tell her something. Against this and no disrespect, I feel when Maxine was young, Maxine was this, this active girl gone. Cause we have seen it, we say she has 60, she fling all, and I think even in her age she feel like and she want to do it, she want to drive. And based on what I say, that's when she drive, Maxine look like she drive rough. And in this heat time now, the sugar go up. But there and then again, we cannot tell them anything because they say that's how she live. Make she do it and then she find out that she cannot no more, cause in a couple of days from now she will be in Jamaica again. So it's too much here, man. It's really too much. What I gonna say? Me now look on her, make sure one ton. Cause any owner come out here and cuss her, she go take the life, and again, me no want to be responsible for Maxine health. Me really serious about certain things about people. Cause me no know when Chambos is lick me already. Me no know why else can come lick me. So anyway, people, bless up on yourself. I go come back tomorrow, because I come back to Mr. Shanti. You get wet tonight because Maxine health more important than you think you get wet.